Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. We went back to Madison Street to look at this building. I missed to take a video of this. I'm not sure what church is this. It looks very old. Seems like Gothic in architecture. Yeah, that's why I said there's a lot of buildings here. It's a mix of old and new buildings actually. But all in all, it's a nice place. New York City is beautiful. It's really expensive to live here actually. The cost of living here in New York City is really high. I'm not sure what's the rank now globally, but it's really expensive to live here, especially in Manhattan. So we just finished our shopping and you're looking at the Macys building on my left. So the Macys department store was actually established a long time ago, really long time. But here in Herald Square, where you have the flagship of the Macys department store, this one's really old. The building was completed in 1902. So that's a long time, guys. So the department store was actually established by R.H. Macy as a department store for dry goods at 6th Avenue initially. That was in 1843. That's the date that it was established by Roland Hussey Macy. So he first opened 4 retail dry goods, and to date, the Macys department store is one of the recognizable department stores not only in the US but I think globally. So we will cross the street, Broadway. Broadway is actually a very long road in the US state of New York. From the south at State Street up to the bowling center for 13 miles. So that's a long road, but there are some parts that are closed actually. So you'd see some tables and chairs wherein people can just buy some snacks or just get some rest from walking the streets of Manhattan and enjoy the scenery, the view, or enjoy their drink or coffee. Yeah, it's a beautiful place here. Yeah, really relaxing. You can see street performers doing their thing. Yep, there's another entrance to the Macys department store. Should be the oldest standing Macys store currently. I'm not sure of that, but I think so. So along the way we will see Joe's Pizza. If you watch the movie, the original Spider-Man movie, it is where Peter Parker worked as a student, worked as a pizza delivery guy, Joe's Pizza. So from that they have this business now, I think. I think that is where it started, Joe's Pizza. And if you are in New York City, of course you have to try the New York pizza. Some say Chicago pizza is better, but some say New York pizza is better. So if you had tried both, then you can put in the comments below which is better. I only have tried New York pizza. I haven't been to Chicago. It's interesting to find out if I manage to get into that city one day. So you have the higher building, also known as the Greenwich Savings Building. Greenwich Savings Bank building, built in 22, I think. Yep. So it's an old building. So we will all walk all the way straight towards Times Square from here. So I'll pause my video here. If you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.